Hello, my name is Justin Rechanaka, student number 23026. Today I want to present you about underwater welding. Okay, so I will tell you the procedure of underwater welding. The first is pre-drive planning and safety checks. Job assignment: inspect the structure to be welded, like example, pipeline, ship, hull, rig. Risk analysis: identify hazards like current, depth, marine life, and gas pocket. Equipment inspection: check diving gear, welding machine, electrodes, and communication system. The last one is decompression plan. Calculate required decompression stops for the diver. Second is diver preparation and descent. Suit up: the welder diver wears a diving suit, helmet, and weight belt. Breathing gas supply: use surface supplied air or mixed gas for deep dives. Descent: the divers is lowered to the work site via a diving bell or descent line. The third one is work site setup, that include positioning. The drivers secure themselves near the weld area, may use a platform, and then cleaning the surface, remove marine growth, rust, or debris using wire brushes or grinders, and then securing electrodes and cables. Ensure proper insulation to prevent electric shock. Okay, a welding process, there is two of them: wet or dry method. The first one, wet underwater welding. Power on: use a DC welding machine, 300 to 400 amps with negative polarity. Electrode selection: waterproof coated electrodes, for example E6013, E7018. Striking the arc: the diver strike the arc and welds in short bursts. Weld bead formation: rapid cooling creates a porous weld. Hydrogen bubbles affect quality. For the dry or hyperbaric welding, habitat setup: a chamber is placed around the weld and filled with gas, helium oxygen mix. Welding inside: use TIG, MIG, or stick welding in a dry environment. Pressure adjustment: maintains hyperbaric pressure matching the water depth. The fifth one, post-weld inspection and finishing, that include visual check: the driver examines the weld of cracks and defects. Non-destructive testing or NDT: if possible, ultrasonic or magnetic particle testing is done. Surface cleaning: remove slack and sharp edges to prevent corrosion. 6. Ascent and decompression, that includes slow ascent: the driver follows decompression stop to avoid the bends. Equipment retrieval: welding tools and habitat, if used, are brought back to the surface. Finally, final quality assessment: surface team. Lab testing if needed. Sample may be tested for strength and hydrogen content. Documentation: records of weld parameters, depth, and condition are logged. So that's all that I can tell you about underwater welding procedure. I hope this can help you if you need it, and thank you for listening and watching.